Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a powerful AI website that allows you to generate API keys of the latest AI models for free. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Open your browser and search for Open Router API and click on the first result. You can search for the AI model, scroll down, click on Create API Key. Let's sign into the website. Click on Continue. Give it a name. Click on Create and you'll get your key. But one thing to keep in mind is that you can use Open Router for free to a limited extent, but if you want to use high-end models, more requests or production level uses, you will need to pay for credits and usage cost will apply. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.